Welcome back to Electroworks. In today's episode, we're diving into the world of LEDs. What are they, how they work, and why they're so important in electronics. Let's break it down. An LED, or light-emitting diode, is a small but powerful device that converts electrical energy into light. A normal 5mm LED usually needs around 3.2 volts and 20 milliamps to work. But this obviously varies by type of LED. And here's how it works. An LED is made from two materials, one positively charged, which is called P-type, and the other one negatively charged, which is called N-type. When electricity flows through, electrons move across this boundary, releasing energy in the form of photons, which we interpret as light. And that is called electroluminescence. LEDs are so important because they produce red, green, and blue light, which means that together they can make any color out there. That's how computer screens work. They have thousands of tiny little LEDs that are programmed to light up at a certain time to show the right color. There are four main types of LEDs, but all of them work on the same principles. COB, which is short for chip on board, is a type of LED that is a single device with many LED chips mounted on a thermally efficient plate, which acts as a heatsink. Then there are SMD LEDs, which stands for surface-mounted diode. SMD chips are meant to be mounted on a PCB. They are also smaller than a typical LED, but they still pack a punch. When you think of the term LED, a standard through-hole LED is probably what comes to mind. These are perfect for many projects because of their simplicity and many variable colors. LEDs only work in one direction, so if you power the LED the wrong way, it won't light up. You'll notice one leg is longer. This is the positive side, or the anode. The shorter leg is the cathode, or the negative side. LEDs are incredibly efficient because they use less energy to produce the same amount of light. They also stay cooler, last longer, and are more environmentally friendly than traditional lighting options. That's why they are so commonly used. Want to see your LED in action? Here's how to test it. Insert a flat 3-volt battery between the anode and the cathode like this. If the LED does not light up, flip the battery over. And if it still doesn't light up, try switching your LED. It may be burned out. And that's the magic of LEDs. From lighting up our homes to powering our gadgets, they're everywhere. If you enjoyed this episode, hit subscribe and join us for more exciting projects and tutorials here on Electroworks. See you next time.